On the occasion of this launch ceremony, FIFA Football for Schools, first such initiative in India at KISS, we have with us our own Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, respected Sri Naveen Patnaik ji. Also, we have with us Honorable Member of Parliament, Switzerland, respected Dr. Nick Gugar. We have also with us His Excellency President of FIFA, respected Mr. Gianni Infantino. All these three honorable guests on the virtual mode. We have with us our respected CEO FIFA Foundation, Mr. Yuri. We have also with us respected R. Binil Krishnan, IS Commissioner cum Secretary, Sports and Youth Service Department, Government of Odisha. We have also with us on the dais respected Mr. Kushal Das, General Secretary All India Football Federation. We have with us on the dais respected Sri Devashish Samantrai, President of the Football Association of Odisha. We have also with us respected Sri Ashirvad Behra, Secretary of the Football Association of Odisha. And also we have our own Vice Chancellor from both the university, KIT University, KISS University, Pro Vice Chancellor and Registrar of the both the university. And also we have with us many important guests from the FIFA present here, particularly our respected Mr. Alexander Gross, the project leader, FIFA Football for Schools. Similarly, on the dais we have with us respected Ma'am Alexandra Hute, respected Mr. Antonio, respected Mr. Alberto, respected Alicia, and also respected Prince and many others present on the dais. And also we have with us the pride of India and Odisha Olympian, our own student Miss Duti Chand. Similarly, we have with us respected Shraddhanjali Samantrai, former women captain national football, and also at present the Odisha women football chief coach, and all the other respected dignitaries on the dais and of the dais of officials from the Odisha Football Association, All India Football Federation, and also FIFA present here. Our all the respected senior functionary both from academic and administration from both the university, KIT and KISS, and particularly respected physical education teachers from the different schools of the Odisha state present here, and also respected press persons both from electronic and print media. Finally, my lovable Kissians and Kitians. So definitely I can say that history is being created in the state of Odisha generally and particularly KIT and KISS today. We will be a part to spearhead FIFA Football for Schools. Such guests across 7 seas literally are present among us even in this pandemic situation. At the outset, as a founder of KIT and KISS, it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome and gratitude to our own Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, who has created an example of how sports can be empowered with consistent support. He has proved that it is not just about money to support the sports, but it is a question of passion and commitment towards hand holding to up to glory level. He has made Odisha a sports hub and Bhubaneswar a sports capital. He has not forgotten to nurture sports from the grassroots level. Sir, we are very much honored and grateful to get your message, blessings, everything. Even if it is the virtual mode, we welcome you and express our gratitude. Similarly, we are very much happy that we have with us our Honorable Member of Swiss Parliament, Dr. Nick Gugar, in virtual mode, Global Ambassador of KIT and KISS University by formal designation, and my dear brother by the bond of humanity, deserves a huge shout out for following it up for the last 1.5 years and really bringing this to reality in our campus. Thank you, my dear brother Dr. Nick Gugar, with your blessings and also all the message in virtual mode. But first and foremost, we would like to express our thanks and gratitude to His Excellency Mr. Gianni Infantino, President of FIFA, for his unflinching support and commitment to promote football and believing our capabilities to support the cause in India and Odisha. We are really very much grateful to FIFA President for your all kindness and faith on this Kit Kiss University. We are very much happy and honored to get your blessings and support in virtual mode and also your message. I welcome you sitting or standing in on the soil of Odisha State Bhubaneswar in Kit and Kiss, and thank you very much. I am grateful to you particularly and your all officials for the last 1.5 years. We means myself and Dr. Nick Gugar, Dr. Borun Sutra have been following with you for launching of the ceremony. Because of COVID-19, it was not possible for the last 18 months. And you have to come to launch this ceremony. But finally, with our request, you have been agreed to send your all the officials, including the CEO, for this launching program. We are very much grateful, and we expect you in the month of January on the soil of Odisha and particularly Kit and Kiss. Similarly, you all will be happy. We are getting one very good person in our midst, and he is no other than respected Mr. Yuri, the CEO FIFA Foundation, who is sitting on the middle. You cannot believe, my all lovable Kisian. He is a great man in football in the entire world. He is the world champion in 1998, also Euro champion in 2000. You cannot imagine the way we all have craze to see the Sachin Tendulkar in India. The more craze to see this Mr. Yuri in entire Europe. So he is a great lover, promoter, whatever you can say for this football. And I am so happy. And you cannot believe, we all are very much fortunate. After fighting 14 hours in airport in Delhi just for small technical problem in his visa, he could come to out of the airport and come to Bhubaneswar, and he could have the patience of sitting in the airport 14 hours at a stretch. We are so fortunate and grateful to God. He has made it possible, his presence here on this dash. Otherwise, the entire function would have been useless. So, Mr. Yuri, I welcome you once again on behalf of the people of the state of Odisha. On behalf of Kit and Kiss, also on my behalf, I welcome you. And at the same time, I extend my heartiest welcome to respected Mr. Kushal Das, General Secretary of All India Football Federation. I also extend welcome to our Devashish Samantraji, President Football Association of Odisha, and also Sri Ashirwad Beheraji, Secretary Football Association of Odisha, and their officials. And in this context, I will definitely say that these delegates from the FIFA and Odisha Football Association coming all the way to India and for this cause, and member of All India Football Federation represented by the General Secretary, and also Odisha Football Association for gracing this one of its kind event. Despite the pandemic, you have helped India to become a multi-sports country and mainstreaming football. We also wish to welcome our physical education teachers from different parts of the Odisha present here. I welcome you, and I hope definitely you will implement what is learned in the capacity building workshop for the last 3 days here in Kit Kiss campus. So similarly, it's my also great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome to all the FIFA officials. I have been giving 5 minutes. I am not taking, I am taking more time. It is going live in the media. But before I conclude, I should take another 1-2 minutes just to speak a few words. We all are aware of, since 2005, Kit and Kiss, both the organizations have been promoting sports like anything, and sports personnel, etc. That's why Miss Duti Chand is present here, the best Olympian, and also other 2 Olympians, and many good things you all know. And coming to football, we all know it is a very popular game in India. It is played in every nook and corner of our country. Despite of immense love for playing and viewing this sport, our ranking in football is 107 as per 21 data. This revolutionary initiative of the President of FIFA will make football accessible to all boys and girls in India. It will be looked upon by them as a lucrative profession. We from Kit and Kiss promise to give all support for implementation of the program by FIFA and other such initiatives in future, as well as with full dedication. We wish this collaboration grows stronger and helps reach the unreached. because it is only in lifting others is real happiness. Once again, I welcome everybody present here. If I have left anybody on the dash or of the dash, I should be excused. And definitely you must be knowing another one man persons promoting the sports in all ways on behalf of the government of Odisha. He is none other than our respected Binil Kishanji IS, Commissioner come Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha. He's so nice and so supportive, so helpful. One cannot imagine unless until one will react with him or do anything with him. So I welcome you, sir, also once again for your kind presence. So once again, thank you very much.